Hi folks, just a quick review, another one of our honest reviews. We're at another destination where we're staying at the Premier Inn in Newton Aycliffe in County Durham. It's a Premier Plus room. I'll just give you a quick show round. In through the door there, usual score with a Premier Inn is you put your card in there to put the lights on. You do get an ironing board. This is a Premier Plus room, so we have got coffee machine and a fridge. It's always a bonus. We have literally just arrived, so we've dumped our bags. Decent telly, good bed. You always get a good bed at Premier Inn. You know what you're getting. You've got a window that actually opens. We have stayed at a lot of Premier Inns with windows that don't open, but this one looks like it's got a nice little opening, so that's good. We can use that for a bit of air. Plenty of sockets, USB ports by the bed. You've got your heating control on the wall. Not sure we'll need that, but there you are. Good full length mirror for the ladies when you're dressing up nice, and for me obviously. And obviously the bathroom with a bit of a sexy purple glow. Very nice, all very clean, looks spotless in all fairness. We've got the complementaries in there, good shower, bath, usual. So you've got a rainfall shower up there, and a detachable shower head there, all very good. All in all, looks pretty good so far. Like I said, we've just arrived, so we will bring you back in a little bit and give our impressions after staying our 3 nights that we've got booked here, and we'll tell you how we got on. So Premier Inn Newton Aycliffe, we've been in there 3 nights. It's been pretty good. Facilities good, rooms good, bed's been really comfortable as always that you get in a Premier Inn. Not really had any issues. Outside this window here there is a tree that is extremely close, and you can hear that in the night when it's windy. Other than that, pretty good. The pub that's attached to the Hungry Horse, it's really convenient. Food, no. Quality's not there, just terrible. Other than that, it's convenient. So always worth having a Premier Plus room over the normal room. Pay the extra, always worth it. There you are, that is my honest review of the Premier Inn Durham here in Newton Aycliffe. If you've enjoyed it, click the like button, drop a comment below, let me know if you've been in a Premier Inn and whether it's similar or you've had a different experience. And I'll see you somewhere next time. Bye for now.